pretty quickly up the stairs. Nice job, guys. Good work. Wakes you up. Nice job. That's so good. Good work, guys. All part of it. Nice. Nicely done. Wow. Good job.
So Kenny was there to see that.
Yeah.
Wow. I did on my case.
That was awesome. Nice job, guys.
Oh, was I right or was I right? That is one wet waterfall. Well done, guys. I'm impressed. Once again, if you'd like to get a photograph, the rear of the vessel is the best place to see this.
Nice. You got any water in the cup?
Good?
Actually. Nice job, guys. Hi, nice work.
I need to dry off.
Yeah, of course you can go outside. I just have to hold the store, it's not a latch. So. I'll close this one back up here.
Rightio folks, get on back outside again. We're not under a waterfall now, you don't have to hide away. I've got something else to show you that's quite cool. Very soon I'm going to sneak underneath the smallest mountain in Milford Sound. But it's pretty impressive for a small mountain. And I'm going to show you a 700-metre cliff that actually overhangs the water. And we know it does this because in the winter time we watch snow avalanches falling off this mountain and dropping directly into the sea below without touching the mountain face on the waves. Now there was some silly American lady, she decided to jump off this mountain one time. As a base jumper, she jumped off this and down into the sea below. Parachute opened up for her, but she ended up on a different program than she expected. She was going for a program about stunt woman, ended up on one about when stunts go wrong. She got a little bit close to the rock face on the way down. We're not going to do anything that silly, but you can try something a little bit silly, folks. Turn around, put your back to this mountain. And when your back is to this mountain, hold on to your sunglasses and your hats and look backwards over the top of your head. I don't know why, but it looks completely different than it is when you face the other direction. Am I right? I'm right.